Last month, I decided to take my 10-year-old car on a 2,500 mile road trip from Edinburgh to Alpe d'Huez. The main reason being so we could watch the Tour de France and ride some epic mountains when we were out there too. And apart from almost setting my brakes on fire, it went pretty well. So here's how we did it. On the first day, we got ourselves to just outside London and then stayed overnight with a friend. Then the following morning, we got up super early and took Le Chateau to Calais. From there, we drove a few hours and then decided to spend a night in Champagne. The following day, we got up nice and early to get a ride in because of the heat wave. Then we got back in the car and drove a few more hours to stay in Burgundy for 2 nights. And our Airbnb happened to be quite close to stage 12, so we managed to catch a bonus stage this day too, which lasted about 3 seconds, but we did collect about 1,000,000 bucket hats. After this, we broke up the final stint of the journey with an overnight stay in a little village 2 hours from Alpe d'Huez. Then the holiday truly began as we spent 8 nights in a chalet at the top of Alpe d'Huez with 10 of our mates. And we just spent the entire week cycling, eating, drinking, and looking forward to those 2 mountain stages that were finishing at the top of Alpe d'Huez. And they did not disappoint. The atmosphere was absolutely electric, watching Poggy and Carapaz taking 2 monumental wins on back-to-back days. And we managed to fit in some mega climbs whilst we were there. When the week was over, we sadly had to begin our journey back home. However, we were only a couple of hours from Annecy, which is one of our favourite places, so we decided to stop off there for 1 night. Then we decided to stop in Burgundy again for 2 nights because we enjoyed it so much on the way down. Then on our final night, we stayed half an hour outside Calais before getting Le Chateau back over to Folkestone, then driving back to Edinburgh the next day. So would we do this again? Absolutely. The main thing I learned was either take a slightly bigger car or just pack less stuff. And be very thankful your aircon's working when it's a 35-degree heat wave.